Hi everyone, I welcome you to my channel, and today we'll be discussing this particular exercise, that is exercise 11.2, and from there we'll be solving some important questions. And if you are new to my channel, and please do subscribe the channel, and we'll be solving some important questions today. Okay, and this is questions 2. That is show that, and some of the questions are of 1 mark, very simple, and show that the line through these 2 points, that is 1 minus 1 2 and 3 4 minus 2, is perpendicular to the line through 0 3 2 and 3 5 6. So step 1, what I'm going to do is we just find the direction ratio of the line joining these 2 points. That is this 2 points, we'll find the direction ratio. Okay, so let's start with this. The solution start with that direction ratio of the line, joining 1 minus 1 2 and 1 minus 1 2 and 3 4 minus 2, okay, are, we know that direction ratio joining 2 points are given by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So just find out the direction ratio, that there is 3 minus 1, that is 2, that is 4 minus 1, so this will be 5, then minus 2 and minus 2, this is minus 4. So this is the direction ratio of the first line joining these 2 points. This is first and the second point. Similarly, we'll just find the direction ratio of the second line which join these 2 points, 0 3 2 and 3 5 6. So let's find out the direction ratio. Okay, direction ratio of the line joining 0 3 2 and 3 5 6 are, what are the direction ratio? That is 3 minus 0, this is 3, that is 5 minus 3, this will be 2, that is this is 6 minus 2, this is equal to 4. So we got the direction ratio of the 2 lines. Okay, fine. Now in case the 2 lines cut at right angles, that means the angle between the 2 lines is 90 degrees, then we know that cos theta, that is cos theta, which is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Okay, where a1 b1 c1 are the direction ratio of one line and a2 b2 c2 direction ratio of the other line. In case the angle between the 2 lines is 90 degrees, so cos 90 will be equal to 0. So that means we have to show that a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 should be equal to 0. Okay, we'll just now substitute the value. Okay, this is equal to, okay, this is one set of direction ratio, that is a1 b1 c1, and this is another set of direction ratio, right? We'll multiply. Okay, a1 a2, that is 2 into 3, this is 6 plus, then 5 into 2, okay, 5 into 2 is 10, then we'll multiply c1, this one, c1 into c2, this is c1 minus 4 and into plus 4, this is equal to 16, so which is equal to 0. So then we got cos theta equal to 0, and therefore the 2 lines are at right angles. Okay, so very simple questions. We have to use this relation, that is cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Okay, next we can just move to can take another questions, right? Find the equation of the line passes through the point 1 2 3. Okay, passes through the point 1 2 3 and parallel to the vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap, and this is directly given from the theory that we have done in the last class. That we just recall that what is the equation of a line passes through a point and parallel to a vector. This is given by r is equal to a plus lambda b. So if you have not seen the previous video, please go through the video 3 in my channel, and where we have done the derivations for both vector as well as Cartesian form, r equal to a plus lambda b. Now what is a? Okay, a is a position vector of a point. Okay, position vector of a given point, right? Position vector of a given point through which the line passes. And what is b? B is a vector which is parallel to a line. So in case if we want to draw the figure, say if this is a line, and say this is a is a fixed point, and this is this is a is the position vector of a, and this b, if L is a line, then this vector b is parallel to the line L. Okay, so here it's given, the point is given 1, 2, 3. So just first step, we'll take the point. Let the point be. How to find a solution? It's in fact a one-step answer. Let the given point be a 1, 2, 3. Okay. Therefore, the position vector of A. So you can take the point is given, so you can just find the position vectors. Let the position vector of A, the position vector of A is, okay, we can denote the position vector as vector A is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So you got the vectors, that is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and the vector which is parallel to the line is given. So you can just assume that this is B. Okay, and let vector B which is parallel to the line is 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Fine. So 3i cap, 2j cap minus 2k cap. Okay. So both A, B are given, both A and B. So you can only substitute in the equations r equal to a plus lambda b. Therefore, the required equation is, you can just write, therefore the required equation is, therefore the required equation, okay, the required equation is r equal to a is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda, and b 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So which is a vector equations of the line. If a point is given and a vector which is parallel to the line is given. Very simple answers. Okay. Anyway, just we'll move to next question. Okay. We'll just try to take questions. Initially, the questions are there in that exercise of 1 mark, and slowly we'll take questions. Okay, which carry more marks. So find a Cartesian equation of the line which passes through a point. Okay, the line passes through this and is parallel to the line given by. So what you need to do is, we need to find an equation of a line which is passes through -2, 4 and -5, and the line is parallel to this line. So what you can take the help of this line, with the help of this line we can just find out the direction ratio of the line that you need to find out. So we know the direction ratio of this line is 3, 5 and 6, and the line which is parallel to this line, so the direction ratio of that line will be obviously 3, 5, 6. So with the help of this we can find the direction ratio of the line. Apart from that, the line passes through the point. So this is also a direct question. So we can just solve in a very less number of steps. The direction ratio of the line which is parallel to which is parallel to the given line, the direction ratios of the line which is parallel to the given line. This is the given line, which is parallel to the given line are 3, 5, 6. Okay, so we got the direction ratio, right? We got the direction ratio and we got the point, that is -2, 4 and minus. Okay, fine. So we just got the point -2, 4 and -5. So therefore we can just directly write the answer. Okay, what is the point given? -2, 4 and 5. So just take the point -2, 4 and 5. Therefore, the equation of the line is, what is the equation of the line in Cartesian form? Okay, the equation of the line, I'll just write the equation of the line. Okay, x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. This is the Cartesian equation of a line, which is passes through a point with coordinates x1, y1, z1. Right? Here x1, y1, z1 are also given. That is x1, y1, z1 can be taken as -2, 4 and 5. Apart from that also, with the help of the given line, we obtain the direction ratio ABC. So these are the direction ratio. So therefore the equation of the line is x minus x1. What is x1? -2. So x minus x1, this is minus minus, it will be plus. X minus x1 by a. What is a? This is 3. This is a, this is b, this is c. Okay? X is equal to y minus y1. y1 is 4. Okay? By b. b is 5. Fine. Then z minus z1. Z minus z1. z1 is 6. No, this is x1, y1, z1. z1 is 5. By c. What is c? 6. So which is the Cartesian equation of the line? Fine. So in case it is of 1 mark, you can just directly write this answer also. Okay. So next, before that, right, we have one more questions. Right. This question number 10. Angle between two lines. Right. Angle between two lines. So find the angle between the lines. These two lines. Now, you know, like this line is given in the form of r is equal to a plus lambda b. So we have just now discussed about the line also. What is b? B is a vector which is parallel to this line. So therefore, and this is a and this is b. Now, in case it's just we need to find out the angle between these two lines. So you can find it is sufficient to find the angle between these two vectors. This is a vector which is parallel to the line, and this is a vector which is parallel to this second line, right? So this one you can just denote, because the parallel vectors we normally denote by b. So you can just take this one is b1 and this is b2. Okay. Plate b1. Vector b1 is 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. This is b1 and this is b2. b2 is I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Fine. This is b1 and b2. So you need to find an angle between the two lines. We will find an angle between these two vectors, right? So we know the relations. We know the formula how to find out the angle between the two vectors. Okay, and we know cos theta is equal to b1 dot b2 mod b1 mod b2. Okay. So we know this important formula to find angle between two lines. So we just substitute the value of b1 and b2. Fine. Okay. Now let us calculate. Right. So what is b1? 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. Fine. Dot I cap 2j cap plus 2k and divided by mode b. So mode b1 is, so square root of 3 square 9 plus 4 plus 36. Then this is also 1 plus 4 plus 4, right? Done. This is 3 I cap, 2j cap, 6k cap and I cap plus 2j cap and 2k cap. Okay, the square root of 3 square 9, 2 square 4 and 6 square 36. So we can just simplify now. This is, okay, so this is 36, so it's 49, right? This is 49 and this is root 9, right? Yes. Now we'll just use the dot product between these two factors. So 3 into 1, so it will be 3 plus 2 into 2, this is 4 plus 6 into 2, okay? 6 into 2, we have just learned how to define a dot product between the two factors, okay? Only I dot I terms will come, other terms like I dot j and I dot k all will be 0. So therefore, this 3 into 1 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4 and 6 into 2, okay? It's 12. You got this? So this is equal to, right? So square root of 49, that is 7 into 3, fine. So and this is 12 plus 4, 16, right? 16 plus 3, that is 19, okay? And 19, so this is equal to 19 by 21. So you got 19 by 21, and therefore, right, cos theta is 19 by 21, therefore theta is equal to cos inverse 19 by 21. Okay, that's very simple steps. Fine, very simple step, and we got the value of the theta, that is theta equal to cos inverse 19 by 21. So similarly, you can just take another simple question, right? That's what I say, that most of the questions are very, very simple, and okay, and you can just obviously can solve this exercise in a very less effort. Okay, now find the value of P so that the lines, okay, these and these are at right angles. Okay, so it's given that angle between these two lines is 90 degree. Fine. Okay. Before that, before we go into any steps, if we observe the line, this is given is 1 minus x by 3, 7y minus 14, 2pz minus 3 by 2, and it's given 7 minus 7x by 3p. So it's not given in standard form. First we'll just simplify this and we'll try to convert to standard form. Okay. So we'll simplify this. This is 1 minus x by 3. So it's we'll be writing in x minus x1, that form. So we'll just reverse the order, so it will be x minus 1. So if we just reverse the order, I mean, if we change the order, so we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by minus, so it has to be minus 3. This is, okay, now, this 7y minus 14, so just write y minus y1. So just remove the coefficient of y, this 7y minus 14. We'll just divide the numerator by 7. Similarly, we'll divide the denominator also by 7. So if we divide by 7, it will be y minus 2. And same time, we'll be dividing the denominator also by 7. So it will be 2p upon 7. Fine. So, and third term, z minus 3 by 2. It's actually given in standard form. Z minus, don't need to do anything, right? This is done. This is 1. And similarly, we'll simplify the second equation also. Okay, so this one is done, right? And we'll just simplify the second equation. Okay, so how to simplify the second equation? This second equation also you can simplify like that, and right, we can just simplify the second equations in this way. 7 minus 7x, so we'll just change the order. If we change the order, so we'll take minus 7 common. If we take minus 7 common, right, so it will be, this is x minus 1 done, x minus 1 and by 3p. So instead of writing minus 7, so we can just write this term as minus 3p by 7. So the simplified form will be like this: x minus 1 by 3p by minus 7. Fine. So this second term is given already in standard form, y minus 5 by 1, and the third term, okay, is given in 6 minus z by 5. So you need to change the order, 6 minus z. So if we change the order, you need to multiply both numerator and denominator minus 1. So it will be z minus 6 by minus 5. Z minus 6 by minus 5. Okay? Okay, we have converted the second equation also in standard form, right? This one you have written in the form of x minus 1 by 8, and this is already, second term is already given in standard form, and the third term is 6 minus z by 5. So if you change the order, so you need to multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So it will be z minus 6, and you need to multiply the denominator by minus 1, so it's minus 5. So you can just take this one as equations 2. Now if this angle between these two lines is 90 degree, then okay, we'll just since the angle between 1 and 2 is 90 degree, therefore a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 should be equal to 0, because cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2, which one you have done in question 1. Okay, we need to substitute a value now. Okay, so here if we substitute, what is a1? Okay, this is a1 is minus 3 and a2 3p by, right, this is 3p by minus 7. Then b1 b2, okay, what is b1? b1 is 2p by 7, right, 2p by 7, this is 1, plus c1 c2, this is 2 and this is minus 2 and minus 5, should be equal to 0. Fine. So a1 a2, this is minus 3 into 3p by minus 7, done. Then plus b1 b2, this is 1 into 2p by 7, done. And plus c1 c2, 2 into minus 5. So we need to simplify the steps now. So we can simplify this way, right? So this will be, so minus minus plus, so just can write this is 9p by 7, 9p by 7 plus, okay, this is 2p by 7, 2p by 7, and this will be 2 into minus 5, so it will be minus 10 equal to 0. So if you simplify, this will be, if you add this is 11p by 7 equal to 10, 11p by 7 equal to 10, so this give us 11p equal to 70, therefore p equal to 70 upon 11. So you got the value of p. Very simple steps. Only you need to simplify the equations, bring the equations into standard form, okay, and then get the value. Use the relations of cos theta with the help of the direction ratio, that is cos theta is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Done. If the theta is 90 degree, cos 90 0. So therefore you need to show that a1, you need to use the equation a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. There is only one unknown, that is p, so you definitely get the value of p. So then we'll just solve this. This will be the last questions of today's video. Okay, so please keep watching my channel, and in the next video we'll be discussing equations of plane, right, in space, and then subsequently we'll be loading a video on the exercise, that is 11.3. okay. Now, so from these equations we know that it's given in this this form, standard form. This is r, we know this is a plus lambda b form. So we'll just take here, let a1 is equal to I cap, 2j cap, 3k cap, fine, and A2, 4I cap plus 5j cap, 6k cap. This is A1, A2, fine. Then we'll take B1 as I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap, and B2 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Fine. This vector you take as A1, this is A2, this is B1, this is B2. Fine. So let me first write the formula that we find the shortest distance between two lines, that we have done this in the previous video. So what is the formula to find the shortest distance between two skew lines? That is, it's given by D equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by mod B1 cross B2. So in case you want to find the angle, right, you want to find the distance between the two lines, you need to find out A2 minus A1, fine, and then you need to find out B1 cross B2, then you need to find out mod B1 cross B2. So we'll just find one by one. Okay, first we'll just calculate, right, this steps, that is A2 minus A1. Let's first find out A2 minus A1. So here, A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So 4 minus 1, that is 3 I cap, 5 minus 2, 3 j cap, and 6 minus 3, 3 k cap. So we got this one. This is very important. So we got this steps 1. This is A2 minus A1. Next steps, you need first B1 cross B2. We'll just find out B1 cross B2. Okay? So B1 cross B2 we can find out. So since we got this, so we can remove this now. Okay? Now B1 cross B2. So B1 cross B2 is I, J, K. And B1, the coefficient of ijk is 1, minus 3, 2. This is B1. And who is B2? 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Fine. So this is B1 cross B2, ijk. Then the coefficient, right, of ijk of B1, that is 1, minus 3 and 2. Then what is the coefficient of ijk? That is 2, 3 and 1. Now we evaluate this determinant. Okay, we'll evaluate this determinant. So in case if we evaluate I cap, fine. So minus 3. This is minus 3 and minus 6. Okay, minus 3 and 3 to the 6. Okay, and minus j cap. Minus j cap, that is 1 minus 2 to the 4. Then k cap. K cap. 3 1 the 3 and 3 to the 6. Fine. So I first this is I cap, j cap, k cap. I cap minus 3 into 1, minus 3, and minus 3 into 2, 6. Fine. Then minus j, 1 into 1 and 2 to the 4. And similarly the k cap is 3 1 the 3 and minus, there is another minus, so it will be plus 6. So this is equal to minus 9 I cap. Then this is minus 3 plus minus minus plus, so it will be plus 3 j cap. Fine. And then this is 6 plus 3, 9. 9 k cap. So you got B1 cross B2 also. And here also we can just find out what is the mode of these vectors. So this will give us what? This is 9 square, 81 plus 3 square, 9, right? And plus 9 square, 81. This is equal to 81 plus 9, 90, right? 90 plus 81. So 171. So you got square root of 171. Fine. So we got this vector B1 cross B2. So let's use the formula now. Okay, we'll use the formula. So we'll just write this one is B1 cross B2. So we got all the terms. This one B1 cross B2 and then B1 cross B2. So we need to know, we need to calculate only this much to get the shortest distance between two vectors. It's very important question for exams. Okay, the type of the questions are very important. Okay, now the shortest distance. Okay, shortest distance is equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2. Okay, B2 and both B1 cross B2. Fine? Yes. So we'll just replace this A2 minus A1 value. Okay, we'll replace this value. Okay, this is A2 minus A1. We'll just note down B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2 is given by minus 9 I cap, 9 I cap plus 3 J cap and plus 9 K. This is B1 cross B2 and more B1 cross B2 is under square root of 171. So we can just wrap this value. Okay, now. Okay, so A2 minus A1 is 3 I cap, 3 J cap, 3 K cap, dot, okay, dot, B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2 is minus 9 I cap plus 3 J cap and plus 9 K cap. Yes, and the mode B1 cross B2 is square root of 171. Done. So we'll just need to simplify now. So we'll just simplify. This is equal to, so this is 3 into minus 9, so minus 27. Fine, minus 27 and 3 into 3, that is plus 9 and plus 9 into 3. Okay, 9 into 3 is 27. Okay, this square root of 171. Yes. So you can cancel this. You can cancel this, and finally, so we have this is 171, and this is 9. Okay, 9. Now this 171, right? 170 square root of 171. You can just write as a multiple of 9. Okay, you can write as a multiple of 9. And final one step simplification will be like this: is equal to 9, right? Then this can be written as this is 19 into 9, right? Okay, 19 into 9, and then you can take this square root of 9, then you can cancel with 9. So this will be equal to, so square root of 9 is 3, you can cancel 9, 3 by square root of 90. So this is the distance between the two lines. So here today in this video we have covered up most of the important questions. Okay, and next video and the remaining questions, okay, it will be related to this question. These are the questions we have discussed, and I hope just you can solve all these questions. Okay, well, the next video will be on equation of plane. Already I told you, and please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.